part two, day two. Part two, day two. Apparently I'm supposed to feed my aunt's jam. So we're going to try that today, see if any ants go to the middle where I'm going to put this. Just going to put this over like lid. Yeah, we're just going to put this jam. See if any ants come to it. Right here. Let's see. Actually, I got to make some eggs. Got some jam. Put it in the bag pan. And then I'm going to grab some jam. Put it in here like a kingdom. Looks like he's going to the message. Alert the message. Jam. And the next one is here confidence. I did some there, and then the next one is here. I did ask you that. I did see babies. I don't know if I did that. I did see tropical woodland. Did see jungle kingdom and Badland come out, so I only saw one out from each way. Actually, it could have been two from there. Come on. That's it. Oh, look. I'm really sorry. I just want to see if he's going to come out. He's going to get scared. I do see him going over there. He isn't. Can't go back on his left side. I'm going to get him. making him go towards the jam. He decides to go to it. Using this out the way. So you can see him a little bit better. So not to get any of the pioneers and stuff in this jam. I really want to see if we do eat it. So help us see some of this ground. So I have been feeding them a lot there. Okay, they're all going to trap who they know they're going to eat the jam. So I'm going to get another rock and then see if the babies become the brown one. He wants to try some. Kind of brown ones, yeah. Some brown. And I got stuff on that sort of thing. I just ruined it. I put it on dirt. In the corner so maybe the ants come out. I do want to see if any of the ants are doing on the side of it. Because if they're patterns and something like this. Don't really see much activity right now. They're probably working on the ground right now. I just don't know. But this one is in the water. Don't really want him getting up here when sometimes I don't understand. I want him to go to the gym. Maybe just make him go. These are bugs. And the probably bugs. You can kind of come to this thing. I want them to know this thing. Oh my god, I'm going to do this. Try to make it more closer to them. I'm going to check out that stuff. He's going toward the center right now. He's trying to find a burrow. So I want him to go to this one. Dang it. Come on, go to the burrow. He's next to the rock. Come on, dude. Tell me if he wants to go. Oh wait, he told some more workers to come out. Looks like. this ant seems to like trying to look for something that this ant is a gem in the house. I don't really know, but I just had to look up on Wiki what they eat. So, gem is the first option. This is another thing of the there's another one up there. It's 15 guys. I'm going to read it. Please, I'm going to do the one. He smells, I think he's smelling the big gem. That's it up there, so he's down here. Trying to make a mess now. I did not see anything babies over there, they get to tell you. So, I'm trying to make a burrow reset right here. Kind of nice. This like looking at it, so I can use it. I hope they actually do like the jam. I don't even know. I don't know what kind of jam. Come on, baby. 10% battery. Fine. Oh, look. It's not come up here. Hopefully, it's going to get it. Let's see if you can get it. Come on, dude. It smells it. See, there's like under. There is actually one here, something. I think I found it. Hope. I think the one at the tip of the mouth is the one if you can't eat it. Oh, there's another. There's three. I think so. I'm going to say I'm going to tell everything else that there's three. I hope. I don't really think they like trying. Unless I like maybe 6 more than that. This is a little ant under the tip of the knife, right there. I've been doing this thing here watching for a while. I bet one of them is for us. It's pretty cool. No, maybe. No, it's silly. Okay, I found one. I'm placing it slowly. Okay, there's 2 ants under it. Right there. I think they're fine. I think they're fine now if they can eat the yam. Oh, there's more ants coming out. I see a 4th ant. I think one just went under the rock. Or by the rock. I do not see any ants eat yam. I might check up on these. I hope you enjoyed. Yeah, keep an eye on it, see if anything happens.